Struggling to find reliable suppliers? Tired of high shipping fees eating into your profits? Say hello to USAdrop, the solution to all your e-commerce headaches. Here's how USAdrop solves your biggest problems and boosts your business. Ready to conquer the e-commerce world? Let's dive in with USAdrop. Extensive supplier network. USAdrop boasts partnerships with top suppliers in China, offering a wide range of products. From electronics to fashion, our network ensures you can cater to diverse market preferences easily. Competitive pricing. Processing over 50,000 orders daily gives us significant bargaining power. By engaging directly with suppliers, we cut out the middleman, translating to unbeatable prices for you. While competitors struggle with lower volumes, USAdrop maintains long-term price competitiveness, ensuring higher profit margins. Quality control. At USAdrop, quality is paramount. We implement stringent quality control measures to ensure every product meets our standards before reaching your customers. Say goodbye to defective products and hello to enhanced customer satisfaction. Efficient order processing. Our user-friendly platform streamlines the entire order process. From placing orders to real-time tracking, managing your business becomes a breeze. Spend less time on admin tasks and more on marketing and customer service. Personal one-on-one sales agent. Enjoy personalized service with a dedicated sales agent when you partner with us. Whether processing bulk orders or needing product sourcing assistance, your agent is there to support you via WhatsApp, Skype, or your preferred messaging platform. No minimum order quantity. Flexibility is key in today's fast-paced e-commerce landscape. With our no MOQ policy, you can explore new product niches and respond to market changes without the constraints of minimum order quantities. Personalization services. Stand out from the competition with our personalization services. Add your logo to products, include thank you cards, and benefit from product bundling. And also professional video shooting and creative photo shoots. These options enhance customer satisfaction and boost brand loyalty. With USAdrop, you're not just partnering with a platform, you're joining a community dedicated to your success. Visit our website to learn more, and I'll see you next time. Bye!